Hi everyone, good evening. Trust we had a splendid week. Before we go into today's training, I would love us to pray. Father and our God, we thank you for day one, day two, and now we are in day three of the training thus far. We thank you for the privilege you've given to us to be here again tonight. We ask that our being here will never be in vain in the name of Jesus. We ask that you open our minds to knowledge and you help us to understand quickly and you enable us to know what you want us to know tonight. We pray that you would help us and that your spirit will inspire us to know. In Jesus' name, amen. So today's class is going to be a quick review of WhatsApp business optimization. Then we move to setting up a Facebook page and then optimizing it, and then we move to setting up an Instagram page and optimizing it. So I might not be able to set up, but I would see, because I already have existing pages and I don't want to start. I will just go ahead with optimization, but I will show us the interface of Facebook, Instagram, and how to go about setting up. Majority of us know how to set up already. It's just how to optimize that we actually need. So let's quickly go to WhatsApp business. Sorry, my WhatsApp goes off by 8 p.m. So WhatsApp business rather. So I believe we can now see my screen. Please, if you can see my screen, let me know. Don't think, okay. Can we see the screen? If you can see the screen, kindly unmute yourself. Can
Yes,
you
I can
hear
see
me?
the screen.
Okay, thank you very much. So this is how the WhatsApp business interface is. And so where you want to go to, just in case you have not updated your WhatsApp business, please do go to Play Store, go to Apple Store and update your app and make sure it is up to date. So this is how the interface has changed. The interface wasn't like this, but it has changed now. So your focus for optimization is tools, and the tools is at the far end right. So click on tools and then you come across business profile. Okay, when you get to your business profile, click on it. I already did a study or the class on what should be part of your bio. It's a brief of who you are, what you do, what you stand for. Then we talked about other things you can add in your bio, like milestones, awards, for example, certified social media manager, certified Google ads expert, certified Meta digital marketer, digital marketing expert. These are awards and certifications, or awarded in the last so team associate meeting, or if the association or company has a big name, you can just tag them on your bio. That is if you are doing Instagram. So the bio is just who you are, what you do, your products and services. So how do you go about it? First of all, you would want to optimize your profile picture. I talked about it. That your profile picture, this is where you click when you want to do your picture. Here, you click on the circle, the smaller circle. Click on it, open it, it brings the option. When you click on the pen, it allows you change the picture. So you change it to your logo if it's a business. But if you are building a personal brand, you can leave it with a headshot, not just a picture. I emphasized this during the last class, a headshot. Then you move to the brand's name. Here should be your brand name or your personal brand name. Should be your business name or your personal brand name. So that when people click on a link from Instagram, Facebook, they land on your WhatsApp business, they would see what they have seen on Instagram or on Facebook or wherever they got directed, whether you have a website too. That's the consistency in the branding. So if you use a logo and the background is white, make sure you use white background all across your social media handles. If you want to switch it to red background, make sure you do same all across your social media handles. What you're trying to do is to do what? Build consistency and help your target audience become acquainted with your brand. So whenever they see this brand, there is a perception they have in mind because it is consistent. So you are not confusing them. Okay, so you change your business name. It's just clicking and filling. Here is for different business category. What kind of business are you? An event planner and the likes. You select which service or which category your business for. Then for the bio, you want to fill your bio with what you do, who you are, your products, your services. Make it simple. You can list them. You can make it listing so that people can read through, give it spacing and the likes, like I suggested. Then you just need to be clicking on them to make changes to whatever you need to change. This is how you get to optimize it. Then if you want to share the link to your WhatsApp business profile is this share tab that you are seeing at the top. Share tab. Once you click on share tab, you will see an option to copy. Click on copy. That is your WhatsApp link. You cannot share it with anybody on WhatsApp. Let's say I want to share it with Chizoba. This will now be your WhatsApp link. Okay, so this is your WhatsApp business link. That is how you get your WhatsApp business link. For everyone that have been asking me, you come to your business tools, business profile, share, copy. That's how to get your WhatsApp business link. Then the next point for optimizing your WhatsApp business is to fix your WhatsApp catalog. If you have products, fix them there. Fix their prices. If you don't have fixed price, use start at. Put an amount and say it varies with, specify that it varies with what you do. So, but it has a starting point, but it is at least here. So you should have your services on your catalog. What you're trying to do, you are making your customers, when they come, easy for them to buy from you. Okay, so you fill your catalog with your products and services. The next is greeting message. Don't leave your greeting message just bare. You can see my greeting message here. My greeting message is showing them that they need to take action, that they don't just come into the DM of a business without taking action. So I'm giving them all the possible actions they can take. Are you seeing? Can you read it? Get 5% off your first purchase. You can visit our catalog to make an order. Payment validates at order. So I'm telling them that if you visit our catalog, you can make payments and I will be sure to deliver. So all these things are, this is greeting message. This is not away message. Away message is somebody chatted you up and you're not online. So this is my away message. Thank you for reaching us. You are presently on. However, you can drop a message. Get 5% off your first purchase. Choose from many of our products. Are you seeing? So I'm showing them all the products and then I'm still telling them do this. So you are giving your customers things to do when they get into your WhatsApp business. You're not just leaving them confused. So these are the things you can do to help any brand you manage so that they will be able to optimize the traffic that comes to their WhatsApp business. So it's not just that they will stop at somebody chatted me up. You know, the person will say hi, you two will say hi. So there's already a message that clearly explains what you do and what you are offering. So for other optimization, these ones are for the people that use it. Labels are used for businesses so that you can follow up customers. So every time someone's chat you up, you can label the chat. How do you label chat? So these are different labels. However, you can add a new label name. So how do I add a new label name? Come to the top right, plus, maybe I want to add leads. So what that means is any customer that chats me up and has not bought from me, I can click on the customer name and then label the name as what? Leads. Meaning that I can come back to my labels and check for all the customers that has been labeled lead, and it will show me, helping me to follow up customers and the likes. This is just a bonus hack for WhatsApp optimization. We are not supposed to go this far. So let's quickly run to Facebook. So for Facebook optimization, so this is Facebook optimization. This is how your Facebook interface should look like. But just in case it doesn't look like this, this is how it's supposed to look like. This is my personal profile. So the first thing you see on Facebook is actually your personal profile. This page you are looking at belongs to a person, and it is the person's Facebook personal profile. Okay, this is personal profile. If you want to now locate pages, you click on the person's face, not on the left, on the far right end at the top, the one that has 3 lines on the face. So that's if the person has a picture. You click on it. But most times, your brand or the brand you want to work with, most times they already have pages. What they will now need to do is to make you an admin. And most times, some of them will say they don't know how to. But I will show you how to do that in this video as well. So what do you do? Where you come into here, how do you create a new page? What do? You come to what? See more. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Let me go back again. This is home. So this is your interface. If you want to create a new page, click on the top right, then come to pages, then the step to create a new page is simply to just put create. So it's that simple. Get started. Put your business name. Let's say I want to do a business. Chen Constructions Limited. This is fictional, please. Just in case someone else has this kind of business. So this is the business name. Constructions Limited. Next. So category, construction. So your category is the kind of business, construction company, contractor, building. Well, so Facebook allows you to choose 3 categories that you think your business fall into. So you can use, maybe you have a beauty care store, you can put beauty. You can now add shopping and retail because people will shop from your product. Then you can now add if it's just local service, and then you can, it's just 3 I think they allow you to add. So create. So they are telling me I have too many pages, so that it refuses to create. But that's how you create a page, and it automatically shows up. Then to optimize the page, these are the pages I manage. Okay, so if I want to optimize a page, I would use here the one that has my name, or I will come here. But let's use here. What are we trying to do? We are trying to switch profile. So what switching profile means is that your interface will now change to your business page that you have created. So let's say this is now somebody's business page. How do I optimize it? The first place I'll go to is now here. So unlike when it was profile, I hope we can see what I've been doing. Unlike when it was profile, we went to the top and right. But now there is a page, we are using the left picture. Click on the left picture, then you will now see the option to write your bio. How do you go about editing your bio? Swipe down, you see add to story, you see dashboard, you see edit. Click on edit, then this shows up, and then you can start optimizing. Put a profile picture, like I said, personal brand, headshot, business brand, logo, personal brand, headshot, business brand, logo, cover photo. Please get a graphic designer to do one for you, or better still, design it yourself using Canva. Then bio, you can use your Instagram bio and still replace here. What I said about bios is go to Instagram. search for what people are already doing around your brand. Check out like 20 bios. Before you finish reading all 20 of them, you would have gotten inspired on what exactly to write for your own brand's bio, even for any other brand you manage in the future. When you do research, when you have known exactly what the brand is, what they stand for, what their marketing goal is, if you go back and do another research on Instagram to check what other brands like them that is their competitors are doing, you would also get inspired to know what exactly to put on their bio. So you will notice that my bio on Instagram is the same thing as my bio here when we get to Instagram. So to edit, you edit your bio. So my bio has, I help techies establish their brand, what I do. My bio has my, what's the word? My role and responsibility when I want to help you establish your brand online. And then there is a call to action. Are you saying? Are you saying there is always a call to action? So here allows you put what category the business is again. This is where the category shows for Facebook, no longer WhatsApp business category. So you can put your category here. That is the one you want to be officially seen on the page. It's only one that will be visible. So this is where you will change it. Then they are saying add pronouns. All these people and their drama. So pronouns is for all these people that are gender sensitive. Then contact info. Where are you in Lagos? Where are you in the world? Put your information there, your location, your address. If you have a physical store, you would optimize the use of the map so that it's easy for your customers to find you. So map location, you type wherever you are. That is the advantage of having Google My Business. So if your business has a store, a physical store, it should be on Google My Business. It makes it easy to fix it here on this app as well. So try and get your business on Google. It's not that hard. But that's not what we are teaching tonight. So add your brand's email. Please, if it's not a personal brand, get your brand its email. Creating an email is very simple. Create a brand email using your business name so that you can easily separate your business from personal things. Okay, so your business email should be what should be here. Basic info means this is the option that it will show. Do you deliver? That's for those of us that sell goods and services. You click on if you do delivery. I don't. Do you do contactless delivery? You click on it. Do you do outdoor seating? If you have a restaurant, do you do dining? You click on it. Take out. Do you do reservations for seats or for tables? Do you do curbside pick? Anyone you do, you click. Me, I'm a digital marketer, so I don't do all the others. The things I do is online booking, online classes, in-person classes. I can do in-person classes. So these are the options I have picked. Then add hours. What are your working hours? Once you click on what looks like pen, it automatically goes to edit page. Click on the pen like stuff and it goes to the editing page. So editing hours. So I clicked on add hours. Click on add hours. Click on the, because I've already done it, so it's showing. So normally it will show you no hours available. That's if you don't have hours for your business. If you are always open, click on it. If, for example, you decide to go on break, permanently closed. If you want to do a renovation, temporarily closed. If you have a physical store. Standard hours, edit your hours. My standard hours is 9 to 5, 9 to 5, Wednesdays 9 to 8, Thursday. So it's depending on what you want. You can edit your date. So edit hours, you can edit it from, is it 7, is it 8, to which time of the day do you want to end your service for the day. So save, then go back. Then you can save all the changes you have made. Make sure you hit the save button before leaving that place. So these are highlights. Highlights are you can have highlights as your stories. Your stories now, there's now highlights on Facebook. It wasn't there before. but there's now highlights on Facebook, just like it is on Instagram. So you can now add highlights, and the only things you can hide to your highlights, okay, now formally it is things you have posted on your stories, but now you can hide highlights directly from your image. So you're seeing my imagery, and they're showing things that are in my camera roll that I can add to my highlights. Now, the next is links. This place allows you, if you click the edit, it allows you connect your page to your social media handles. I hope you are still with me. So once you come to this show's address, you've already filled it, so it will reflect here. So social links. To add social link, you come to add social link. It will ask which platform. Click on platform. I go again. Go again. Let's start again. Links. Edit. Right? Add social link. Click on that platform first. So it will not tell you which of the social media handles do you have for your business again. Do you have Twitter? Does the brand has Trend? Does the brand have a YouTube page? It allows you to add as many social medias handle as you want. So I have LinkedIn, I have Twitter, I have Threads, I have TikTok, and I have Instagram. So these are my handles, and I've added them already to my page on Facebook. Then if the brand has a website, you add the website here. Click on add website. So mine, I'm using a Linktree. So Linktree is a platform that allows you to have multiple links. If you check my page on Instagram, if you click on it, you understand better what Linktree does. So multiple links, so people can choose from a variety of options. Okay, once you have done all these things, come to the top right. Always click save if you have made changes. If you don't click the save, it's not going to save. Always click save. Please take note of that. Are you saying once I want to even go back, there is a prompt that is asking save changes? No, I don't want to change anything. So discard changes. So edit your about info. It shows all the things that you have that is in it. So if you notice, I am coming down on the page. I am coming down. Are you seeing? So come to the last end. That's where you will now see edit your about info. Click on it. It now allows you to add other things like work experience, education, where you studied, your places you have lived, basic info, add price range, ratings. So all these are the things you can do to your page. Relationship, family members if you want to. All these things are just extra features. They are not necessarily compulsory. What the most important things are these ones at the top end. So once you do them, they will show like this. That is it for Facebook optimization. So what other features do the Facebook page have that you need to check out? So once you come to the down of your bio, once you come down to this part that has edit, there's a 3 line beside it. Click on it. It shows you other features of your page. Page status, edit button, action button. So for the action button, it's telling you that if you post and you want people to chat you up, do you want them to send you a WhatsApp message or do you want them to send you message on Messenger? So which the business wants, you do it for them. Then go back. The other features, manage post. Do you want to delete post? Do you want to add post? Are we together? Then okay, share profile. This is your profile link. So Facebook has profile link. How do you share your business profile link? Just like WhatsApp business, you come to share link and copy link, then paste it where you want to send it. I hope we are together. Then the next thing I wanted to show us is see dashboard. So dashboard allows you to see insights of the flow of your page. Because I've not been posted. I've not posted for the last 20 something days. I've not posted consistently like I used to do. So it's showing me my performance, that because I've not posted, my content and engagement have dropped. Showing me level, you make progress. You see that as you grow your page, there's now room for monetization. So see monetization. So it's showing you all the things that needs to happen before you get eligible, or your page will get eligible for monetization. Goods, creation, insight. So the insight is what most social media managers use. That are you seeing insights? Which of this will 2? Which of this will 7, 8? See all. You can check all your posts reach so far for the last 28 days. You can check for more than that. You can check for only today, which I did not post. So all these things are what you can do with a Facebook page that you may not be able to do with a Facebook profile. So when you are done setting up the page, you can now switch back to your profile. How do you switch back to your profile? Go to the top right. Go to the top right where your picture is with 3 lines. Click on the picture and then switch back to your personal profile. So you do this whenever you want to access the page, then you come back to this. Now to Instagram. That is how to optimize a Facebook page. Now to Instagram. This is an Instagram page and this is my page on Instagram. So how do you go about setting up your page? So Instagram interface looks like this. Your stories are on the top left, your messenger top right, love sign to show people that are liking or notifications on the top beside the messenger on the top right. Then come down, you have the home page, the home tab, search tab, add post, reels, blah 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 tab. Then you have the reels tab, and then you have your picture. Now whenever you want to edit something on your Instagram, you come to your picture, click on your picture, and this is what it will show. Okay, so just in case you have not optimized your page, it will not look like this. So this is showing because I've optimized my page. So how do I go about optimization? Click edit profile. It will show me name. So like your name can be a keyword. Please take note. Your name can be a keyword. Your name can be your role. Your name can be for personal brand. It can be a mix of your name and your role. It could be a mix of your name and what you stand for. Keyword. Okay, that's for name. Then for username, for a business, your username should be your business name and it should be consistent with your Facebook username, your Instagram username across platforms. I've not had chance to edit my other platforms usernames because I've not been using them. I changed my username recently, and you can change usernames. You can change them, but once you change it, for example, today, I think Instagram, you can only change 14 days later. Then Facebook, I think they said 2 months. I'm not sure, but you can make your research. So if I change my business name today, username rather, I cannot change it till another 14 days on Instagram. So pronouns, she or her, then bio, the same thing. But Instagram bio is more limited than Facebook now. So this is my bio too on Instagram, the same thing. So you can almost put the same bio across platforms, but WhatsApp Business gives you more opportunity to add many things. So gender, show trends badge, that's if you have a thread profile. If you don't, you can leave that. Page, so this is because my page, I have connected my page to my Facebook page. It is simple to connect your page to your Facebook page. Once you come to page, click on it, follow the prompts. They will ask you for your username and password. Fill your Facebook username and password and make sure it is correct. If it is not correct, it will not connect. If your account has been restricted, it will not connect. You would need to go back and unrestrict your account. Pay the guys that can help you unrestrict your account. If your account has been restricted and you need help to unrestrict it, reach out to me. We can talk about it in the DM later. But that's not what we are treating today. So you make sure the account is unrestricted. That means Facebook has not restricted it. If not, you cannot connect Facebook page and an Instagram page. Okay, so you will need to do some things here and there to get your account back to normal. So categories, business category. What category of business are you into? Contact information, your email, phone number. What's that business phone number? Do you want your contact to be displayed? Why not? If you don't want it to be displayed, you switch it off. If you don't want to, if I switch it off now and click it, you see that it will no longer show on my profile. Are you seeing how my profile looks? So, but if I want it to show, go back to edit file, then display contact info. Go back. So, are you seeing contact? So, it's depending on what you want. Okay. So, that is it for. Is that all? Yes. Profile display. Do you want your profile to be displayed? If you don't want it to be displayed, display category label. If you don't want it, you can switch it off. Display contact info. If you don't want it, you can switch it off. Facebook now provides you with a lot of options to how your interface should look like. Okay. Then the next is personal information settings. This is for Meta generally. So, but if you don't want to do that, you can check that later by yourself. That's not important for this class. So let's move ahead. Then we want to go to how to add highlights. I know that would be the next question in most of our minds. How do we add highlights? So if you have never had highlights before, this place will be blank. And the only thing you will be seeing is add new. That's plus new. So when it shows like that, plus new, most times, formally, it is only, yes, I think Instagram, it is only when what you have posted on your stories that you can post on your highlights. So you must have posted it on your story before it can happen on your highlights. So how do you come up with highlights and highlight covers and then highlight title? Based on what I said, do research. Check out what other brands are doing, what competitors are doing. Read, you will see that majority of them are different. Now come to the brand that you're about to manage and then work with what the brand has for the brand title, for the highlight title. You should work on the highlight title of the page before you come and start doing highlights. Okay, so you must have listed like 5 highlight titles. That will now help in knowing what design you would use. For example, if you see consultancy, are you seeing the concept? Books, meet me, workbooks. You are seeing the icons I use. Then some people use logo to represent their highlight covers. Some people use other concepts for their highlight covers. Some people use their faces, especially personal brands, for their highlight covers. But how do we go about having highlight covers? You come to add new. But first of all, just in case you have never shared on your story, that particular thing you want to add to your highlight cover, to your highlights rather, post it on your story. For example, let's say I want to post this on my, I can just post it on stories. Okay, this is story and I've shared it. It's now on my story. It automatically gives me access to the highlight. However, I can still come to my story, click on my story and add rather, or come to plus sign here. So are you seeing post, story, reel, story? I hope you can see story. Click on the circle, rather the picture at the far end left at the down part. Click on it and then you can add stories. Let's say I want to add May is here. Okay, so this is the story. So you can add stories directly from your gallery. I have posted it. Okay, so that's how to share stories. If you notice, when I want here, it will say add to highlights, but let's leave that for now. So what do you do when you want to add highlights? You come back to your profile. Are you seeing? Swipe down to get back to the top of your profile. swipe down to get back to the top of your profile. Then what do? I go back to add new, plus add new. So what do? I add the pictures I want to. So because I already have an idea of my highlights, I already know what to do for each highlight. So what do? I click on, maybe I want to add this highlights. Once I click on it, press next. It will show how the highlights will look like. Are you seeing? Then I can now type my highlight topic and title. Let's say new designs. I hope we are together. I'll click done. That is how to do highlights. Then there's now an option to turn your highlights into reel, but that's not what I want to do. So this is now the highlights. How do I edit the cover, highlight cover, so that I can put something like this? First of all, this is a design. Highlight covers are designs that you post on your profile, on your stories rather. So you can see this is a design. I designed this using Canva. So just in case you are here as a graphic, you are here as social media manager, another skill you need to add to your skill set is graphic design. So majority of the posts on my page are the things I designed myself using Canva. So this is a cover for consultancy. How do I go about it? I went on Canva. I used the Canva square page and then searched for elements. Can I do that? Can I do that? Okay, let's see. It's time that is not on our side. Let's see. So once you come to the Canva page, let's say you now have a title in mind that you want to do. So you come to Canva. Okay, this is not a graphic design class. Go and learn graphics. But however, let me just show you how it works. So I come to plus here and I use Instagram post square. That's what I used for the cover. So this is what it will display. So just in case you don't know how to use Canva, please sign up and learn graphic design for Scale to Scale for the next batch. So this is how it works. So this is it. I can change color of the page. So the color of the page, I cannot explain what I'm doing, but just flow with me. So this is the color of the page. Let's say this is the color of the brand that I'm designing. I will come to elements and I choose and I ask what's his name, Canva, to look for things that are consultancy inclined. Consultancy. You see that Canva will bring a lot of graphics out for me. Are you seeing? So I can choose one. Are you seeing? Then change the color. Then, so if you sign up for graphic class, you'll get a better glimpse of what Canva can do for you. I can now add the circle. So the circle you see is still elements. Then I changed it to cycle. I just hope we are following. So this is the cycle. Not this one. I want the one with border lines. So the good thing about Canva is that it gives you a lot of options. So instead of this top quick add, I'm going to search for circle. So it will bring a lot of options. I'll search for graphics under graphics. And then are you seeing there are a lot of concepts it will bring out. So it's depending on what you want. Then you select what you want. So I think I will just go, because of time, I'll go with this. Oh, I deleted the wrong thing. Consultancy. Okay, thank you. So change to white. Sorry if this Canva explanation is not going to be as you thought. Sorry about that. I'm not your graphics teacher. When your graphics teacher, you meet him, he will do justice to the teaching. But I hope this helps. So this is how it works. So reduce this. Do this. Okay. So I've designed the Canva cover. Rather highlight cover. I just need to do what? Download it and put it there. I just hope we are following. So you will need to watch this video over and over again to really get the concept of how to do the cover. Okay, so back to the page. So now I have added a new story. How do I change the cover? Click on it, come to more, the 3 lines here, and you see edit highlights. Instead of remove highlights, use edit highlights. What do? I edit cover. But now I've not. Are you seeing edit cover? So they are showing me that I can change it to gallery. There is a box close to it. Click on that box. Are you seeing? So I've selected it. Are you seeing? Done, done, done. Sorry, network is on the delay. So once it's done, you'll see that the cover of that highlight changes. Network. Sorry. So I don't know why network is having ish, but let's see if we can get
Sorry,
it
please,
up
Mr.
and running.
Chuku Ezai, please, can you mute your this thing? Please mute it, please.
So network is a bit of a bother. Okay, so it did not change. I think that should be because of network. So but once you follow that step, you should be able to change it. But since network is delaying, let's go to the next thing. That's how to fix your cover. If you follow that step, you would definitely fix your cover after clicking done. I don't know why network did what it did, but how do you change from a personal account to a business account? How do you change from a personal account to a business account? You go to the 3 lines at the top of your profile. The 3 lines, please take note, at the top right of your profile, the 3 lines, click on it. So how do I change my account? Go to creator tools and controls. Creator tools and controls. But whenever you are free, please go through all the features of the Instagram to get acquainted with it. As a social media manager, you should know everything about the app. Okay, but for you to change from a personal account to a business account, go to creator tools and controls, click on it. So it will show all these things: add payments, add placement, branded content. But what do you need? Switch account type. Switch account type. Once you click on it, it will tell you switch to a business account, switch back to a personal account. This is where you now switch the account to a business account. Do we understand? So this is where the changing happens. That is it about switching from a personal account to a business account. So there's a whole lot of other features. You can control who can comment on your page. You can decide if people can view the number of likes you get. Everything happens in these settings and activity. So when you go through it, that's when you get clarity about everything you can use it for. So let's see again if we can work on this to change the highlights. So edit cover. I don't know why it's delaying. Let's hope he stays this time. I think network has gone on sabbatical for this cover. But the cover is too fine for network. So I don't think network wants it to happen, but once you follow that step, you should be able to do what we want to do, which is to have a cover for the highlights. Okay, so I think that will be all for tonight, and that will determine our own assignment as well. So, any question? Any question? Any question? Any question? Let's start having our questions, please, before the task.
Question, please.
Any question? Victor, are you speaking?
Yes, just wanted to say that I'm sorry that I came late due to power outage in my place. So I hope you'll post the video, the chat for Facebook, because I totally missed it. That's what I have.
Sure, surely. It's been recorded. It will be shared immediately after the class.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Any other person? Any question?
Yes. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening,
Any
ma'am.
question?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, good evening, ma'am.
Your
Hello?
voice is a bit low. Can you please
Good
add
evening,
volume?
ma'am.
Good evening.
Okay, ma'am. I'm Nathaniel, ma'am.
Is this Nathaniel?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go
ma'am.
ahead.
Please, I concerning the WhatsApp this stuff we did a day before yesterday. Like, I could not link my WhatsApp to Facebook. I tried and it was not working. I think somebody asked that question in the afternoon in the group. But you said you are going to.
What was it telling you?
When I click on, for instance, Facebook, it would tell me something next, and I follow up. The next thing would tell me blah blah blah. Not, I could not
go to Facebook and add the WhatsApp business on Facebook first.
Okay, I should add it from Facebook, not WhatsApp.
Yes.
Okay, I would stay on Facebook. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Any other question?
Yeah, so good evening.
Good evening, Jay.
Yeah, please, I missed the part that you convert the Instagram page, the personal one to a business one. Please, can you just recap?
Yes, it will be shown on the recorded video. I will share everything after the class. Okay. Any other question?
Yes. Okay, so can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Victor, go ahead.
Regarding what Nathaniel just asked quite recently. Okay, when I open my own WhatsApp business and I click on linking the Facebook, mine opened the Facebook page, but it didn't really connect. Like, just kept opening the page, and I will just find myself inside the Facebook page, and I have to go back outside the Facebook, then go back to WhatsApp. It's not connecting. So what do I need to do at that point?
That's what I said. Go to Facebook and put the when you connect from Facebook sends an OTP to your WhatsApp business. So that OTP is what will automatically connect them. Do you get? Connect from Facebook. Go to that point where they ask to add WhatsApp business. Add it from Facebook. It connects automatically. Any other question? Or Victor, are you still speaking?
Yes, please.
Who is speaking, please? Go ahead.
Okay, maybe I
Somebody
just ask my
saying
own
something.
question.
Okay, Toby.
Yes, please. Concerning the Instagram thing, so I wanted to ask if you have a page that you have just been
Please go ahead. If you have a page
posting
there.
random things. Yes, like you have just been posting random things before. Like you've just been posting for posting's sake. But now that I'm learning social media management, I'm trying to transition into becoming a social media manager. Like how do you then revamp? Like how do you start with revamping your own page? Like
You
to
can
look more
archive your old
professionally like
post.
it.
You can
Okay.
archive all your old posts on your page.
Okay, and like start afresh.
Yes. You don't need to create a new page. Just archive all the posts, then start afresh. Start posting
Okay,
contents
okay.
about social media
You said
management,
something
advise you about
about
social media.
somebody's name being a keyword. Like, can you like use your name for like like the social media thing, but it's still your name that is going to be there and stuff
My
like
name is
that?
there. If you notice my page, my name is there. Then digital marketing consultant.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Okay, then Facebook, yes, I understand. Then I don't really understand that Facebook. You already have a Facebook account. Then you said something about a Facebook page. So what's like the difference between the two? Is it like your account? You can't do stuff with your account. You have to use your. I don't really understand that account
I
and
explained
page
it in the
thing.
last class. Have you watched the video of the last class?
I was in the last class actually.
Okay. I explained it now. I explained the difference between your personal profile and a page. I said your Facebook personal profile is what everybody owns. It's like your foundation for getting every other thing on Facebook. So without a Facebook profile, you cannot have a Facebook page. But why do you
Okay,
use
so
Facebook profile?
that Facebook page now. So your friends, your followers, I don't know, the people
Your
you have
friends.
on that are
For
following you,
personal
are they
profile,
still
you
going to
have
be seeing your
friends.
page?
No, they will not see your
Okay.
post on your page, except you connect both. Some people have done that.
Oh,
So they connect both their
okay.
page and their profile together.
Oh, okay. So how on that page now, is it like you still have to build a following or something, or you don't need that, or how does it really work? And what do you
So
actually use the
that's
page
it.
for?
See the difference. You cannot connect an Instagram page to your Facebook profile. Do you now understand? You can only
Okay.
connect a Facebook page to an Instagram page, such a way that when you post on
But my
Facebook, it
Facebook
automatically
account is
shows on
connected to
Instagram.
my Instagram. My
You said
Facebook account is actually my Facebook account is connected to my
personal
Instagram
profile.
page.
Personal
Yeah,
profile.
yeah,
Do you post
yeah.
on
My
both?
personal, not really, but anytime I maybe post story or something, it also shows on my Facebook. Like
Personal
it shows on my Facebook.
page.
Yes, it
Okay.
does.
But I think the major difference is the analytics and the fact that you can run ads. I don't think you can run ads on your personal profile. So there are
Okay.
limitations to the profile compared to the page.
Oh,
Like,
okay.
I don't think the profile, there is that dashboard of insights, monetization for personal profiles. It's only pages. Do you not get the differences?
Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, I do.
Any other question?
So sorry, concerning the page and the profile. So are we still going to get the point that you're going to run ads on our Facebook profile or the page?
Social media management is not social media campaigns or ads. Ads is it's a different school on its own. If you want to do ads, it will be a full-scale training, just like you are doing social media management. So it's not part
So
of the
just
training.
get to know that. So now we just get to know that we can only do stuff on our profile and run ads on our page. Like, so after then, so is that how we are going to learn about that? Wow.
Have you gone through your curriculum?
But if
I've not.
Okay. So when you go through the curriculum, you will see everything that it's in your email. Everybody received an email, and part of it is a student manual.
Yeah,
right?
I did.
Yes. So if you go through the student manual, you see the module of not just social media management, you see the module of video editing, module of copywriting, all the skills that Skill to Scale is training students on. So that's the scope we can cover in 4 weeks. Cannot cover ads in 1 week. Cannot even cover ads in 4 weeks. Ads is a school of its own. It cannot be under social media. And most social media managers are not advertisers. Social media management is different from ads. So please take note. They are not the same.
Hello, ma.
Any other question, please?
Hello, yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma.
Good evening.
Okay, ma'am. Please, concerning that Facebook page and Facebook profile, after creating the page, I noticed you later switch back to profile. I want to understand, like when you switch like that, will the Facebook page still remain, or maybe it alters, or
Yes,
maybe
it will. It will. You just need to go through that process again. I went through to get to it again.
once you created it, it's created for life.
Yes, it's created.
Thank you.
So one of the things we would learn is how to use tools for social media management. What tools can you use so that you can post on Facebook and Instagram and schedule? One of the tools, we'll teach with one of the tools. There are several tools out there, but we'll teach with one of the tools so that you can schedule posts and it will show on both your Facebook and your Instagram pages at once.
I have a question.
Okay. So,
Hello, ma'am.
Sogom
Oh,
Tochukwu, is that okay? Okay, please, Oluchi, go ahead.
okay, you said something about connecting Facebook personal account to Facebook page. So I want to know, how can someone do that?
Connecting personal accounts.
To Facebook page.
No, that's not what we are. I said you connect your Facebook page to your Instagram page. Facebook page to Instagram page. Facebook page to
Oh,
Instagram page.
okay. I must have heard
Page
wrongly.
to
Thank
page.
you.
You're welcome. Any other question?
Yes, a question.
Yeah,
Good
please go
evening.
ahead. Good evening.
Okay, something happened earlier because I actually have a page already on Facebook. So when I was trying to link my WhatsApp with my Facebook page on WhatsApp during the process of optimization, so they sent me a message that my account has been restricted. So I was not
Okay.
trying to find out because it
Is
also
it your
happened the
WhatsApp
last
business that
time.
was restricted?
No, like my Facebook page was restricted.
Is it
So
different
I was trying
names?
to, sorry.
Are both names different? Do you get the
Yes, both
question?
names are different.
Yes, now you cannot connect. That's the consistency we are talking about. If it is Choma.net on WhatsApp business, it's Choma.net. So it's not looking as if it's a fraudulent brand. So if you have chance, please go and check community guidelines for Facebook. Read through. Consistency is very paramount. It shows that you are not thinking of frauding people. It's business, so money is involved. So Facebook is trying to be careful. So your business name on Facebook has to be consistent with your business name on WhatsApp.
Okay.
So for you to unrestrict your account, please chat me up. We'll talk about that later because I'm supposed to end this class now because some people have other classes by 9. So every question, please direct it on the group chats. Some people have trainings now as we speak because they enrolled for 2 courses. So every other question, share it on WhatsApp and I would be glad to answer them on the platform. Thank you everyone for showing up for today's class. For the assignments, just before we go, so you are supposed to optimize Facebook and optimize Instagram and share both links on the group chat. Optimize a business Facebook page and a business Instagram page and share both links on the platform. And that is how we will end the class for tonight. So on Thursday is feedback sessions. What have you been doing? What are your issues? How do we settle the issue? And then before we go to the next stage of classes by next week. Thank you so much, everyone. Good night. See you on Sunday by 9 p.m.
Okay, good night.